Ignition. And liftoff.
Welcome back to the Project Mustang build. Today we are going to work on putting a new four-wheel suspension on it. Parts from American Muscle or something, I can't remember. Should be a pretty easy job. It's a California car, so there's no rust. We have it up on ramps right now. Put a jack stand underneath of it. Two of them, both sides. Take the ramps out from underneath of it and try the back wheels first. There's only one shock that goes in the rear, so we're going to attempt to do that one first. Alright, so got the first rear shock out. I'm gonna go measure it up with the other one. As you can see, they're not that healthy. They're pretty bad.
20 years old.
Yeah, they're still got fluid in them, but these look like the original Motorcraft made in USA springs. The top of the spring sits in the trunk, exactly where the wheel well is. You can figure that out, and the bottom was held on by a through bolt, just like normal shocks. So I'm gonna compare these, put the other ones back on, see if it rides better. Alright, so we got the new shock in place. Got it tightened down there. Goes up into the trunk. And if you saw, I crawled into the trunk because the shock tower sits way back in there. And got that all tightened up. So rear's done. Moving on to the next side. So on this driver's side trunk, they had a little too much seam sealer on there that was preventing the washer from seating correctly on that bushing. So I took my handy dandy oscillating cutting tool and it cut a chunk out to make it fit. So now I gotta tighten this shock up and it'll be back together. Alright, so we're in the trunk here. Let's see if I can get it to focus up. You can see my vice grips there pinched on the top of this shock. And then I have an adjustable wrench. 18. Yeah, but it's adjustable. You just use the vice grips against the wheel well, and you can tighten this bolt down pretty easy, but you either gotta be tall or small to get in the trunk. Well, we got the two rear shocks in now. Gotta torque up these lug nuts on these tires, put everything back in the trunk, flip around and do the front, but whoa, seems to be sitting, so that's good. Doesn't seem to be sitting on the ground, so that's good.
Plugs right in on both sides.
Here's some more wiring that my dad did for his trailer lights. Connects them directly to the tail lights with a quick disconnect. Runs them through loom and out the bottom of the trunk. So we got the spare, new shocks, the trailer lights, ready to roll. So got the front shock off, and if you let go of it, it compresses itself real slow. So yeah, there's no life left in this shock at all.
Look at that.
So put the new ones on, and put me some more life in it. But rust free, still chrome. Just all the gas leaked out or something. Well, with that, we're going to tighten up the last lug nuts here, and that completes the four-wheel suspension. Took about 5 hours, 6 hours, but other than that, pretty easy. Got the Mustang all finished up, all tightened up, tightened up, tightened up. Gonna have to take the back wheels off again and figure out where these two ball joints go. I don't know where they go. This one is, I'm guessing the rear, but we'll figure that out tomorrow. Other than that, peace.